다들이 지분일이야 티니바 야다 고급 정보에 드린 주산에 뒤주되다 답든체 아니 아주 대예배지 히말라야게 주율예배지 빈다 소다 아니 미세지 필리핀다 소리야 도대체야 고급 상부 정보들이야 가보시라죠 양 상황 다 가마버지 지 가 망버지는 양수 갈라이 접지대 배우지 인주산에 가보시라죠 양소리야 도시쇼잉
I'm very happy to be back in Germany for the second time together with this opportunity to have the excellent opportunity to meet together once again with my brothers and sisters from the Himalayan regions, and especially with my brothers and sisters who are Tibetan. And I know that you've all come here from various places, not just Germany, but from all over, and have put in a lot of hard effort to come here. So thank you for being here and thank you for having me.
나 지게 계급 대수랴 저의 거리야 대변은 지게 계급 조사나다 지게 계급 니마다 로토요
라움.
나 대인 주산 제디 드네주다 아메리카리아 침브제 아메리카를 저의 거리냐 아메리카의 서유 갈리에베지 퓨지 초바대수도 냠들 가르제바차당 엔 퓨지 토제차 지 다는 히말라야 아주지 초바대수당 히말라야 그지 빈다수 토제차데 아나 개심스데 드린 주산에 아니 아주 그 토제차들 된제 광수이네야 아니 가보용돼야지다 나랑 이비네야 가서다지 당나라게 랭게 첨부르지 조수 사바로 되지기 섬리야 pobre도 스케도 드린 주산에 다리 저민들의 여백가리야 미세게 다 가서 다리 니마 시진이야 들어야 다지 계절 시야 프로그램이 디컵이야 그냥 주심지 대표브레 안드니도 간다 양결 다 가버 중스기 안수 샤이
Lasso? I always look forward to the opportunity to meet with my Tibetan brothers and sisters and my brothers and sisters from the Himalayan regions, no matter where I go. So far in my life, I've only been given the opportunity to visit 2 foreign countries, the United States and Germany. So this applies in all my travels. And in the United States, of course, I've had the opportunity to visit several different regions. And in each of these regions, I've had the opportunity to meet with various Tibetan people's associations and meet with various gatherings of Tibetan people. And I've also met with different Himalayan people's associations and different gatherings of Himalayan peoples more broadly. And whenever this happens, I always feel happy about it, and I feel that I've really accomplished an important responsibility. So I feel this way because being able to meet with Tibetan people and Himalayan peoples when I'm traveling is, I hope, of benefit to them. I hope it's something that lifts their spirits a little bit, and it's something that is really satisfying to me as well, to be able to serve in this way. And here in Germany, during this short 4-day program, you have all put in effort to be able to come here and be here for the program and the teachings. And in addition to that, we have this opportunity this evening to be here together, and I'm very happy about this. Thank you.
다 미세 가르쳐다. 오, small headache. 다 두나 찍질이야. 오늘 별이 가르쳐요. और धरी दे जमीन ले आयों इन दी शोर तांबो छे छेबिन जमीन ले आयों से इन दी जे ले पेरेंट्स ले क्यूस जिन ड्राज पेरिस ले क्यूस ड्राज छेबे ने कोदे छेबिन पेरिस ले 퓨리 가시양 디스 강해를 비해야 돼 근데 고송 드린주 대주지 교지 도도나 삼버지 아다 교지 막 디자자 program 망부시다요 막 교지 도도나 삼버 리지 텐소 다 이네 디스 가주에 아주 시계는 로초아 초진디 데즈 레라볼 마도지 디 딜레이드 차지 디 장아조 데즈 디 가주에 제답 마데버지 다 딘디르 총송 다 간다냐 이게 그냥 상물로야지 이제 강에 지게로 말래네 맛이 당분 아주 야간에 유지서 지게로 말라야 암자도 체 excited 싶지 지게로 말래서 내라면도 네 마음이 고서 아는 제가 나라 imagination 비체지 그냥 주지 이번에 지미규만 이번에 imagination 비체지 something 두산데 내라버지면도 때깔아 하버지래샤 안드레 인두산에 당분에 exciting 싶지는 신지 내라버지 요만도 상으로 강에 태대버지 내다르지 라바 디자 유럽리아 캡지 강에 쉽지 쇼치뭐 쉽지 태대가래 디 균zel라 때네 양조라 강에 태버지 바제 용대를 섬통이
Lasso. Part of the original plan for my visit to Europe this summer included a visit to Paris. And I had particularly hoped that that visit could then include a chance for me to meet for a brief time with the members of the Tibetan community there, because I've heard updates about their situation, and I've heard that some of them are facing particularly difficult times these days and difficult challenges. So I had really hoped to meet with them as part of my visit there, but as it happened, it seems that I'm still encountering difficulties with regard to gaining permission to visit various countries. So that was an inconvenience that was introduced to the planning of this visit, and I wasn't able to go to Paris. But more broadly speaking, with regard to the experience of Tibetan people who go to live in foreign countries outside of India, Nepal, and Tibet, it seems that they start off with a lot of anxiousness and hope and excitement that they're going to live in a foreign country. But then after they land and get settled and live their new life there, they find that it's not so easy at all, and that it doesn't quite match the initial excitement that they had about making this move. And I think I really understand this. I try to put myself in your shoes and imagine that I am just like you, an ordinary Tibetan person moving to a new foreign country. And I can really see that it would be a very difficult move, a challenging situation, and one that doesn't really match in many ways the initial excitement of making that move. And in addition to that, these days there's, of course, as we know, the migration crisis in Europe, and I think that that crisis creates a certain climate in the air, so to speak, that makes things even more difficult for Tibetans, that adds an extra challenge to the situation that they face.
근데 다 간다래요. 가져야다. 아주 갑줄이야. droga 내다는데 다지 못휘는지 표현이지 갑줄 등업중을 굴러는 거 주제 못휘는 다지 다 등산 뒤지 용으로 줘야래. 이내야 다 간다를 업중을 굴러는 전에 규마체비체 알 표현은 지 표바 갑줄 용게 규마체비체는 용브래. 다디 용과게 지 시제기 내dun지 가르쳐 되어졌잖아. 소수기 별이야 대비는 지 다주 쉐다 리숑당 다나 신기 지 소수 별이지인바 지뇌네 별이지인베 다 랭겐드 주발라 강에 되버지다 라와 차상에 되버지 든지기 균산을 되네 별이 주주 연구 용비네 균산을 조디 차려 제가 디 균산 되는 디기 자외기 아주다 aspirations and 야가야 잡주 용과기 자외 린dun저보다 안다나지 시제기 군론도 가려이면 아주 맞아부터 제거하되 계속 시작해.
So these days, there's certainly still a flow of Tibetan people leaving Tibet as refugees. Maybe the annual numbers have decreased somewhat in recent years, but there's still undeniably a stream of Tibetan people leaving Tibet continuously. And it seems that whether they go as refugees to India or other countries in the world, the root motivation or the root reason for their having to leave Tibet is the same in every case. It's because in Tibet they feel that they don't have the proper opportunity to sustain their own unique culture, language, and responsibilities as a Tibetan person. Their duties to their own Tibetan people. They don't have the full freedom to do that. And for that reason, they leave Tibet and enter a life of being a refugee. And so I think that no matter where we find ourselves in the world as Tibetan refugees, it's very important for us to remember this root motivation, or this main reason for which we are refugees, is so that we can have more freedom to preserve and protect and promote the Tibetan culture and our unique responsibilities to our own people.
안 라바도 저 별의 예대비 대실류기 별미망 자지 별미망 고즈기 딱한다 내당 강에 전제 나로 리비는 단동 고즈기다 심쇼다 아니 고즈기다 지 별미리를 잠베 제심다 안지 소소기 최대 리숑을 잠베 다 닝도 디 띵사부에 되버디 대랑 아주 럽종 시작하데 개침부지당 아주기 원에 이비냐 안에 디 가르에 군주기 딱 가르에 내당당 아니 고주기 저와 가르임버디 다 남야 제미님버지
Lasso.
제삼창
Migemba. Migemba ginedangdang. Migemba.
마르티기 제야면
Lasso.
general
Lasso.
Tibetan them.
Lasso.
Their aspiration.
Lasso.
Maybe you tell, then maybe I'll be.
Okay. Okay. Tani Koransogi tani nedang jaya namyang jaya yamares.
오늘 아주 고준다.
Ini Koranso sure.
고란 주사는 Tibetan and Tibet.
Tibetans in Tibet. Okay. Yes. Indo chamboyo lao lasso.
Okay,
Yes. Okay.
you got it.
100%. There will be no mistakes in the following translation. So His Holiness said that one of the important things that we need to remember is our brothers and sisters in Tibet who are still living in Tibet and are still endeavoring to preserve the Tibetan culture and protect the Tibetan culture and language. They have great resolve, they have great determination. They're very inspired about this endeavor, and that's something that we can all look up to and gain inspiration from. That's something that we should never forget. So we should remember the perseverance and the resolve of our Tibetan brothers and sisters in Tibet and how much they want to preserve the Tibetan culture and language and so forth, and remember their situation in Tibet as well.
Taji konsikyang wachum chok uti lamde nambata anda ana shingi di waliya yuebe chigi lache namba tsore da ana shingi pimi laksam jen tsamegi taji jigro jigi chebala dene jigi chol jigi roba jigi chebala dene ane yongdeya chigita ya cho shinda jini gyunze nipa de karasana pyueli yuedebe chigi 시류 가지미망 고즈기 닝도당 고즈기 따지 지 배미를 잡을 자와당 따디 주 뉴벌 댄체 아주 무투이니지 배배다 가셔야지 배배 된다는데 무투이니지 뒤ton다 심쇼 마샤같이 아주 상물을 무투인다다 롱업주rin이야 네트워크를 충분해 드니 뒤균센데네 아주기 다 공도 쉬베기 지 우티 남된 난게 저 거딘다 고난 저기 아주리아 나베지 심쇼데 아주 재미있게 버르시 다나 신기 실의 예배지 실의 가세미마 관소이네야 내당 깔라카부르지 나는 예비네야 아주레 라버지 아주랑와나 루베나 예베 라버지 그저 심쇼당 가서도 수요일 인두산 대인에 맞을다 뽑아를 쉬지 진리에 인두 대한 제만이 붙이셔.
Listen. It's been quite a long time now since we Tibetans have left Tibet and become refugees. But during this whole time, we haven't lost our spirit and we haven't lost our motivation. And I think this is mainly due to two things. The first is the excellent leadership we have. And of course, our main leader who's providing such skillful and kind leadership is His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Through his leadership and skillful guidance, as well as through the kind guidance that's been provided to us by other great lamas and other skillful leaders, the Tibetan people have been able to remain unified under that guidance. So this guidance has been a great unifying force for the Tibetan people. And then the other main condition that keeps us motivated is remembering our own brothers and sisters in Tibet, the vast population of Tibetans in Tibet itself. They're in a very difficult situation in many cases, but their perseverance and dedication and strength of heart is even greater than ours, even greater than that of us Tibetans who live outside of Tibet in terms of their desire to preserve and exert energy into the Tibetan culture, language, and so on. So their perseverance and dedication in the face of some difficult circumstances is also something that we never forget and something that continues to inspire us. So even though it's been so many years, over 50 years now, since Tibetans have become refugees, we still maintain our strength of spirit because of these conditions.
That 여러 개가 망부체 이내사 개가 망부 상으로 냠도다 지 가서 티리 예배체다 가서 인사 지 토다 배바서 가서 인사 토시야래 다들이 인주산에 안에 다 네 소소소소 패밀리 소소소 체디 김상 소소소 예비 인주산 다 강주 개시주디 펴바 안사 tru스거래 다사 주디 신나 머신들지래 음주칸에 사 tru스거라 나 사 tru디 지지 개비나 사 tru디 갈라가버도 아주 다다지 페라지 Tibetan autonomy regions 다 페란종 종스거래 디 나로 예비 퓨리즈 장가 지겹되네 지 총연당 지 간수당 다는 신기 스전당 대주기 워 예배 지 퓨리즈 장가 지지 아 다도지 다도 상전 대주지 다 간다 별의 예배 상원 지지 다다지 가나기 다지 ngawal yeba samar da digi di 상원을 지지 다드네 지치게리아 여버도 상원지에나 밀린 주 디사 주데데 깔아하보로 징해를 시도 딱한다 뷰리디 전용미리 차려야 제가 강주지 패밀리 지 뷰리기 지 김사지이네야 다 린당신도 쳐야지 다 강주 패밀리를 참이나 린당 체외기 다지 패밀리 좀 다 안지기 가주에다지 다 딩조 첨부선한这个民族다 간다지 아주 자 첨부지 지대야 다지 패밀리를 차디가 아래 이 주사 디균센데네 강주기 때 김산디기 다지 지기업 나로래 야고치지 사대 침산 야고치 추도야지라 김산나 부디줄에 임비네 로좀 야고치라 도야지 안다는 시지 로 김상기 김미소리네 내가 야고치라 도야지 다디 아주에다 가주에 민주인세는 다도 다 면함을 개들만 알아서 예 지하스게요 말에 그러나 디 개좀 쉬지 차대가 알아서 정도
Lessa? There really aren't a lot of Tibetans in the world. The traditional figure that is cited is 6 million Tibetans worldwide. But if we really analyze that figure in more detail, piece by piece, then I think it's really difficult to come up with a genuine total of 6 million. If you count all of the Tibetans in the Tibetan Autonomous Region as one group, and then all of the Tibetans in the traditionally Tibetan areas of China that aren't part of the Tibetan Autonomous Region as another group, and you put that all together, together with all of the Tibetans living in other countries of the world, I think you're probably still not quite going to make it up to 6 million. So in any case, whatever the true figure is, Tibetans are truly an ethnic minority. They are a group of people of which there are few members. And therefore, with this regard to the situation of Tibetans living in Europe, many Tibetan peoples are kind of scattered all over Europe in small groups, not necessarily all staying in the same place. So you have different individuals living in different places, different families living in different places. And when we are apart from each other in this way, just family by family by family living in these various different places, I think it's important for us to remember the inherent value that we have simply as being Tibetan people. Every Tibetan family is priceless. So even though it's just one family living by themselves as Tibetans in a certain area of Europe, from the perspective of being Tibetan people, that's a priceless family. That's a very highly valuable family. And I think that it's important for us to remember the great value of simply being Tibetan as an individual and as a family. And keeping that value in mind, trying to take good care of ourselves so that our family is given good conditions, is raised well, that the children of the family are taught well, the members of the family can hopefully obtain good employment and so on. So in some ways, I'm saying this as an aspiration from my side. There's nothing that I can do in an immediate way to improve these points. But in terms of offering encouragement, I would just say that it's good to remember our inherent great value as Tibetan people and as Tibetan families, and to take good care of ourselves.
미리 소소 미리 지게 미리 신다지 안지 누저 계급지나라 차로 전주산에 다 디구요 디나로래 소소 최대 이런 성격 지사도 갈라카버도 봐 제가 tin상 native minorities 가시에게 가르쳐 오르스나 다지 베데 티즈에 가르쳐 베데 다 초아베 가르쳐 미리시란 잡아 맞아 좀 미리시란 잡아 맞아 소소기 다가도 수르도 초아겐 소소기 리중 성격이 하나 소소기 엔다 traditional 성격 차도 지겨래 다이네티 타지도디 탑시디 약쇼레스나 까라하오래 미카시에 드리체도 이기래데 민사메 드리체도 마 미 롱마고교지 대지다 드리체도 마 제가 최대리 중 성격 차사디 딱 유럽 사번 디나로래야 소소마지 냠도 송제첸 소소 최대리 중디 유럽 사바티나로 무튜니 데 밸류르버디 린타나버디 네 데이터버지당 안디기 가슈레 간다 디니 송제체악 탑름 체체 딘디지기 토네 아니 저불이 미신다다 냠도 라냠 그 토네 안지 초아게 토야래 제 아주 베주샤디 최대리 중 성교 체악 탑름르지 다 상슈세난다도 다간다 탑름 직전에 다 상슈세 직전에 탑름 대직불리면 대 상슈다 년슈 기저야 말아봐다 다들이 드르지 인사래 드린 두산에 다 드르지기 아주 삼동과디 계십니다.
So we talk a lot about, and certainly I have just mentioned, the importance of preserving our unique Tibetan culture, language, and heritage. But really, as I think all of us know, that's not such an easy thing to do in this modern age. And I think, as you all know, it's not such an easy thing to do in the environment that you currently live in. So the question becomes how to skillfully preserve our Tibetan culture and language in this situation. Other ethnic minorities, such as some native groups throughout the world, have taken the approach that the best way to preserve their culture and language is to live apart from the rest of society, to try to obtain some type of sovereignty of their own, where they can have their own land, their own governing system, and try to preserve their culture in a way in which they're isolated or separate from the rest of the larger society. And I think it might be one way to approach it, but I'm really not so sure that that's the best way to preserve a unique culture and language. Maybe some people are capable of doing it that way, some other people aren't going to be capable of doing it that way. So, in my opinion, the best way to approach it is to acknowledge that we're living in the 21st century, that we're living in these various different countries, and that there's these various modern situations and conditions that surround us, so that we should try to preserve our culture and identity in a way that goes together with the century that we live in and goes together with the environment that we're surrounded by. To not struggle against this modern time and not struggle against the environment that we're in and see it as something completely separate, but be Tibetan, preserve Tibetan culture, at the same time be a participant in modern society, be a participant in the broader societies that we live in. I think that this really is, you could say, the best approach that we could take, but if it's the only approach that it's possible for us to take, then there's no real sense of saying one approach is good or one is bad, because at the end of the day, I think it's the only opportunity that we have. So therefore, it's the best opportunity, the best method to use.
That didn't chevel azo nubani go de sound. Nuba chick de carasana. Ya sosugi spirit semna sosugi semdi bade chi chirugi the kuryu da na singi tak mida karina di be overwhelmed chache bade chi di ongyuru chache soso la rengsu mebachi soso ya tempo mebachi de chawi na anda sunggyub chesa da kala khawsha charo bade di gi shugi ba tian ra ro sha 제상 아줄이야 릉수 특别뉴버지의 고도라 다나신 아주야 지조텔이야 소수기 소화제스 쿠유디 지조디나로라야 내랑 지조텔라 데토바 지 양소소 세퍼레이트 마인바 소수지 지보 소화제데베서라 마인 텔레안 데토바지다 대다 냠도 조토바지기 딘디지 뉴버지에 고여그렇지. 근데 인두스들은 아주 뉴베니 예배 토네 안 지수수 리숑송 좀 차지가 양한테의 냠도 지 수수 다가서 미신다의 냠도 좋아네. 다지 고백부터 같이 용도면서.
Lasso. So to do this skillfully, to preserve our Tibetan culture while being in the 21st century and while living in these different environments, I think we need two different abilities. The first is the ability to hold our own ground as a person. Sometimes what happens is that the influences of our environment are so strong that we kind of lose our own identity and it just dissolves into that environment. So we kind of lose our own ground. So to avoid that, we should have the ability of holding our own ground, remembering who we are, remembering our unique identity, and holding that. But at the same time, then the second ability is, even while we hold our own ground and hold our own identity, we should be able to reach out to others and communicate with others. We shouldn't take this goal of holding our own ground as an invitation to cut ourselves off from the rest of society. We should be open to the rest of society, be willing to make connections, be willing to interact. So I think those two abilities are very important to help us take steps that will move us forward.
다당에 마무샤 시미 안들 조스gem도 제가 다 담아들이야 안에 이 가져요. 뭐만听他们这边的那边个了。 아주 디 초간디 내들 전부 야만 초간 춘춘 다 춘춘스나 춘춘 지라 말해 다 정보도 진짜래 미디엄 사이즈 도시 드리지나는 다 배바드 상으로 배 대카지 이제 다 상가 쉬시게 내가 다음 계시 시에 내지 다 저기 가서 창원 진사지 좀 창원에서 민도 상가 겹지 제가 지당 어디 히말라야 미다 배바 상가자다 가버지 야버지도 엑사이트 야버지도 어디 다이네 디 히말라야로 배더버지다 히말라야게 룽바도 지리나 디 야보도 와
Lasso.
디 메나 지 괜찮아도
Lasso.
다 간데 샤이나 고수 로데버지라면 되는 거지
Lasso.
별래 인다면 히말라야 레유다면 사마도 지 니용도 다이네 지게 룸벌데 상가자연데 산데 안 괜찮았어디 데지 야 다들이 갑자기 딘데 좀 말 다리 자참 보시도 상가 가서 jav나시라 견서 말해
Lasso.
다 간다 양가 제브데 시라 가버추
Lasso.
이게 상로리아 아니 가서 니 타반에 그냥 상로리아 가서지 숨구르당 제셈방 나나시 그냥 상로리아 나버게 민주인로지 아까 투버데 그냥 상로리아 슈인
Lasso. The last time I visited Germany, we were in a room that was quite a lot smaller than this one. This, I would say, is a large room, and the room we had last time was a medium-sized room. And because of that, it was very full and very crowded. And they had made plans for a personal blessing for everyone at the end, but the crowd was too big, so it didn't happen. People were kind of rushing the stage a little bit, and it was a little bit of an uncomfortable situation. And in general, I enjoy when Tibetan people make big crowds, especially in the Himalayan region. It's just a natural thing that happens. It's something that Tibetans do, and it's great if Tibetan people are making a crowd. But in a foreign country, it feels a little weird. Then I think to myself, wow, am I in a foreign country, or am I back in the Himalayan region? So there's something a little bit uncomfortable about that. But today we have such a big room, then no matter how much of a crowd you make, I don't think it'll be a problem. So in closing, I'd like to say once again that I'm very happy to be with you, and thank you for coming, and thank you for having me. And I'd like to express that from the bottom of my heart, I care about you, I have great concern and love for you, and I continue to make prayers and aspirations for increasing virtue and happiness for all of you.